Good afternoon, everyone. Hi there. Getting started a little late today. We didn't got the opening. Just started. We're already. We got one trade going, as you can see. Let me double check. Audio and video is good. If anybody there, and they can put it on the chat that it's good. That helps to confirm, please. Looks like we all good, and looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Looks like I'm gonna wait and see it. Raise might stop a little bit right there. Let me look at it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on top of this here. That's it. All right. It would be probably safer to put on top of the pivot point. How many points we got there? 10, 15 points. Probably safer, huh? Let's do that. See if we got time for that. All right, I'm gonna put the stop on that. That's to help us with a little protection, but protecting from a little spike. But let's see if we reject the 200 here on a 5-minute. That's what we're playing, the rejection of that right now. Same. Not yet on the 15, but yep, 10 and 5. Just waiting to see if it's gonna continue rejecting there, or if we just need to get out. All right, looks like you just want to stop us. That is fine. We're gonna get stopped if we do. Okay. it's the opening, so I'm expecting a small rejection. I'm expecting a rejection of the opening, so I'm gonna actually move my stop again to the stop here, but paying attention very close if I need to get out. I got room on that, that's fine. Expecting that rejection right there now. But I'm not willing to let the pass that area. That's basically what if you don't reject it there and come down, then we're just gonna try to get out. Yes, rejected pretty good. So let's see if it continues with the rejection. If the NAS just follow. Russell is also rejection. We're just looking for a rejection to this area here now, to the anything around the 200 moving average in a 2-minute. That'll be good. All right, let's see. Yeah, the rejection is not playing as we like, so let's just wait and see it. Now we got a rejection of the rejection. the Nvidia is following down, so actually Nvidia is holding a little level. If it breaks that, that's going to help our trade. In this stage here, I'm already looking to either get out or lower my stop. So I'm not willing to go higher. Nvidia just wanted to lose the bottom. Alright, let's see. Nothing happens. It's lunchtime, so it's pretty slow. Nvidia is falling apart. So I really expect the NAS to kind of follow that. All right, it's not as hard. Just flush it, get our targets, then we can come up. I don't know if you guys can hear, my dogs are barking. My dog are barking. Some dog is barking outside, and I think my dog is there. He's probably gonna start barking too. I might have to go there. Just want to see if I need to manage this. All right, let's pick up some liquidity down here. I'm waiting. Right. I'm waiting there, so don't worry, just come get me. I'm gonna check something. Hold on. I'm gonna leave this on the screen share. Well, pretty close from our entry, so let's see if we can get a continuation on this downside for a little bit. Let's see if we get a little flush. All right, looking for that flush. looking for some more downside, a little more. Now from that, we're going to start lowering our stop. So we don't want to, it needs to flush. We don't want us to come back because it's rejection that if that happens. So we want us to see the break of this and then pick up our targets, or we just want to get out now. All right. Let's get a nice one and flush this bottoms. We're going to take profit on that. Come on. Come on, pick up some stops here. Got a lot of stops on this area. Get my, what's the favorites? It needs to blow that. If he rejects it, he comes here, he rejected, and then I'm just gonna put my stop and get out. All right, that's a little more so we can we can pick up some there. I'm not gonna lose on this one. I'm leaving that one in there small. So let's see what happens. One in the bottom, one in here, and we'll just wait. All right, nice flush. Not losing on anything. It's a win-win situation. Even if we get up, we're already at another ones we picked up some profits already. let's wait and see if we get anything else. Trend line gets out of there. Rejecting this area, so we're gonna wait. Do have a little channel there. Kind of little flag, got a flag in there, so let's wait to see if we did anything. Not a crazy day today. Let's see the news. 1 o'clock we got a 2-year auction. And that's it. Pretty slow day. It's a pretty not. It is a slow week. You have Good Friday coming in. So probably not gonna do much stuff. We're just gonna watch here and see if it comes with a very better opportunity. We took that one that wasn't a very good one, and we still had to manage the stop. So let's wait for a good, if it shows up a good setup, and then we might take it. Otherwise we'll just leave it. Maybe we check some FOREX for some swings. Yes, Kips wanted to coming back to the open and pop that, and if that happens, there's a big upside potential. But if he rejects that, and then also has a big downside. Excuse me. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. I wish. Oh, look at what Bitcoin did. Let me get this. can go socials, not that, so Twitter. I tweeted about that. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe. So if you go, where is that profile? Twitter. Okay. So if you go what's that panel, middle top. All right. If you go to Twitter, I tweet yesterday. By the way, if you want to follow me on Twitter, link is in the description. It's the same handle on every single social. You can see, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. Instagram, I usually post a little more personal stuff, but that's cool. Just make sure to follow that handle. Don't fall for any spams. So on the Twitter account yesterday, I posted this. I posted that Bitcoin breaking the neckline of inverse head and shoulders on a 4-hour. We got a monthly resistance on a 69.5, and the next resistance would be all-time high. And I asked if we're going to do that prior. We're going to break that and test the highs prior to having. We're going to get that. And so shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline. There's a little line here, red. It's the monthly resistance, R1 on the pivot point, on the monthly pivot point, and we got the all-time high. So those are the two resistance that I mentioned. And I mentioned if we break this trend line, we was gonna go here, potential there. So those are the two areas we have to pay attention. And guess what happened? That's Bitcoin 4 hours. So that's the Bitcoin on the 4 hour. Broke the neckline. Boom, boom, boom. We already broke. We broke the first resistance, R1. This is the pivot point monthly. Now we got all-time high if we do that still. So there is option on that. Now if it rejects that, comes back, the next area is that. So I tweeted about that, as you can see it. I mean, it's not a crazy thing. Anybody that does technical analysis will pretty much see it that. But I saw that and I didn't want to, I should have put an order, but I didn't trade that. So yeah, that was the Bitcoin. Still nothing happening with the NASDAQ. If we go to S&P, same thing, pretty much the same. It's kind of stuck on this area. Let's put the 15 minutes, so it's stuck it on this area pretty much. Let's do that and 15, so we don't want to do anything inside of that range. Dow Jones, I don't trade Dow Jones, so if anybody does. Dow Jones did not do anything at all on the 15 minute. Russell, we did a small short on Russell too, but again, same thing here, stuck on this range. Nas got that flag, but I like more the bull flags when it's that's more like a upside breakout. Usually downwards channel breaks to the upside. There's more probability of breaking to the upside, and upwards channel usually got more probability to break it to the downside. So this is not really a bull flag. It's more kind of like not a bearish flag. It would have been inversed if it was the bearish flag, but the channel is bearish to me. There's more potential to break to the downside. That's what I mean. Right. So I'm just gonna put those areas in that there. It's conflicting with the pivot point right there, right? Below the pivot point, I'm bearish below the pivot point. Below the 200, I'm bearish. So it's more bearish. I'm more bearish on the NASDAQ right now. It's not a perfect ideal to trade inside of this right now. Not right now, not any time. It's basically a no trade zone. As you can see, I did a trade already on that, and I had to kind of arrange my stop to because I knew I was going to have a little rejection of the opening, but not that I knew that I was going to do it, but that was going to have the rejection. But the probability of getting a rejection of the opening was big. It's always big, it don't matter. Even just a small rejection, which is on a 2 minute or 1 minute, it's plenty enough to do a trade, which is this little bitty here. It's plenty enough to do a trade. This is on a 15 minute. So you want a 1 minute or 2 minute, there's a trade right there. There's like 30, 40, 20 points on a NASDAQ. So that's enough to make money. So I just had to risk it a little more. I had enough room on the budget, on the margin to do that. So I just end up doing, but it's not ideal. It's better not to trade in here on this area, because it's in between the moving averages. So that German, everything is looking the same. It's pretty much nothing. It did a nice move at the opening. I missed the open today. I was gonna get started at the open. I got everything ready, and then something came up. I had to go out, and so I had to kind of just forget it. Whatever it is. So UK did a nice move down, then nice move up, and then now but still out of the moving averages. France, Spain, Australia has a very nice bull flag. Probably a little more downside. As long as usually we like to say that as long as he holds the 38 and it's above flag. So as long as it holds the 38, so it will play here a little bit, and then break it to the upside and looking for that resistance right there. I'm even gonna leave that in there, just see it later. That's Australia. AUS 200. Japan. Yeah, you see the difference on that. China 50. China's closed now. Hong Kong. Let's do the same. Gold. I was just putting NASDAQ here on the side. Well, there we go, got gold. Still, as long as it's holding this. Right now, holding this zone, I wouldn't do anything. Silver, it's fighting right there in between the moving averages. Let's go swing trade. Market slowed the pace pretty good, so let's just go swing. As you can see, that's NASDAQ. That's the 2 minute. Let's leave it there. All right, 4 hour. Let's go some FOREX. Let's look at some swing trades. I saw yesterday a new screener that was I saw that one right there. Hold on, let me do it again. They have the new crypto coins screener. That's pretty nice, and stocks 2.0 as well. Let's just go to the FOREX for now. Let's check. Let's see if we what we got here. Let's go major pairs. 4 hours. What we got? Strong buy on the USD JPY. 4 hours. So let's go take a look. Which one I looked at last night? This one. Was that AUD CAD? No, it wasn't that. It was AUD USD. What was that? I think so. Yeah, it's still holding that level. Breaks this level, I'm looking to do a little short position. What was the screener? USD JPY. All right, I like the JPYs. USD JPY. It's a strong buy, but pretty extended. I don't feel like buying tops, right? I don't feel like buying tops. Daily. Yeah, oh yeah. It's bullish, but let's look at this area. We'll do no way that I'm buying that. I'm fine being bullish, but I'm more short. I'm more downside, but I'm wanting to wait. That's daily, so 4 hours. I wanted to wait that to consolidate over there. Keep doing this. Even break it a little bit. At the meantime, this moving average is gonna keep doing this. Not straight like that, of course. Then market do that. Also at the meantime, this moving average, let me do white. Do this, cross that one. That one does that. Then I can probably try to short. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave that right there. So we have a potential pullback all the way to the pocket. 50 pocket, pivot, 200, all of this area here. So it's either better wait until it comes here to go up, or just you can short it towards that. Let me do my favorites here. So right here in this area, it's a buy zone. It's a buy zone right there. Whatever, just a bull area right there. It's always, there's also a bull area right here. And we have a sell area right here. And that's all-time high, right? Oh no, no way. But it's pretty strong right there. Next one, monthly. Let's do another line right there. All right. 4 hour. So what happened is breaking this area, maybe we got upside potential to that, but in order to buy, we're gonna need that, and that. And then wait this moving average to kind of move and do that. But let's keep an eye on that. Breaking this. Not that. Breaking that. All right. 4 hour. Breaking that, we got a downside. We got a downside. Okay, that's the only one. The screen's showing now. Yep, the majors. Let's do, oh no way, exotics. Miners. Too many miners on. AUD CAD. Strong buy, but I don't see a lot of nope, not for me. AUD CHF, AUD CHF a little better, but I would have probably be more bullish down here. A little late past the time. Yeah, see, best that good entry was down here. It's already 0.28%, 165 peeps. Is that 165 peeps? Yep. already in the market. Nas didn't do anything, guys. Don't worry, you didn't lost anything. It's still on that range. I'll show you, that's Nas right there. It didn't do anything. It's still in that range. But there's no trades for us. We can still look at for the swings. So we're looking at those. None. AUD, GBP. GBP is a nice one too. I like it. Let's take a look at that GBP. Let me look at something here. All right. GBP. What's that? AUD, GBP. AUD. I don't have AUD, GBP on my broker. But we can look at it. AUD, GBP. AUD, GBP. That's probably news right there. 4 hour. Was that a buy? Strong buy. Not really strong to me. I mean, the moving averages are there, but this candle is not doing much. All right, can't do anything in that. CAD, CHF. CAD, CHF. I do have it on my broker. CAD, CHF. CAD, CHF. It's a short. No, it's a buy. Yeah, but this would be my entry right here. I missed the entry. Oh, why? That my entry would be here. Stop below here. Target. It's already in the money, so I missed the trade. Can always go down and then find a little entry if you pass, but still I missed that one too. It could be there. Now if it pulls back, then maybe nice flight on nothing on that. CHF AUD, now we're looking for shorts. CHF CAD. CHF, I don't have CHF CAD on my broker. Let's take a look. CHF CAD. Yep, it's a pretty nice short, not too far from the entry on a 4 hour. What's the hour? 1 hour. Yep, not too far from the entry. It's already on, but if it comes back to close this little gap, comes back to close that little gap right there. Or even come back to close to here. And a nice short coming down here. Still not too late to enter on that one. I don't have it on my broker, so maybe I have it on an active trade, but I'm not gonna trade there for now. So what's the next short? CHF CAD, that's what we look. CHF AUD. I don't have it on my broker as well. Let's look. CHF AUD. We're gonna look up the screener has. It passed the mark. The entry was about, a good entry was right here, right there. Stop there. You could have probably, if you enter on the first and then you probably got stopped out. If you waited for a pullback to enter, still right there. then your stop goes here, you're not stopped and you want to trade in target right here. It's a good trade. Short. So the enter will be here on that candle right here. Target, the stop, target. It's almost 4-1. So the enter would be this candle right there. You could get the middle on this, or you could get the close here, or just put it in the middle, let it come back, and you would be in the money now. All right. So what's the next on the screener? We're looking at that CHD. Oh, I definitely don't have that. CHD Euro. CHF Euro. CHF Euro. CHF EUR. Same, pretty much. It's pretty much same. It would be an enter right there. Stop. Target below there. Potentially. That's 1 hour. Let's go 4 hour. Yeah, same. Potential, if it loses this bottom, it can come it all the way here. There's a huge opening. See the daily. Miss that. Lose that, it can come it all the way to here. Easy. 4 hour, 1 hour. But that was a good trade. Entry was up there. Too late. Yeah, it's already gone. Let's go. What else? Yeah, you chief. I got that. Yep. Chief. Is that a short or buy? Chief got 2 buys. GBP NZD the next. Yeah, nice buy, but it's already gone. To me, the enter, I would have my entry would be here. Stop. Target. Almost 4. As soon as it break that, and then I was gonna go break even, maybe put the stop underneath that and let it run. But it's already gone. GBP NZD. Got that. GBP NZD, and I kind of like that too. It's a good entry right there. Let's go daily. Got room to the highs over here. This here would be a better entry. This 4 hour. How much we're looking over here? Breaking that. I would put the stop, small stop there. Target would be that. Triggered because we didn't enter right there. So let's take a look at on that, because that's something that might work for now. It would be nicer if we had an enter over here. Let it go on. And let's watch this for the rest of the day, maybe. Maybe enter small position now, average, first stop, and then if we average, and then our stop needs to be below here. Many hours, 4 hours. We got 6 minutes to that to finish. What's the 1 hour? That's daily. One hour. Oh, ouch. 6 o'clock yesterday. That was the closing. That's the opening and the closing. That's why they got that. Pretty big candle engulfing that. I would have just waited. It might just come back to the moving average. Let's do a alert on that. Touch. It's crossing. Yeah, let's just leave the crossing, the trend line only once. Okay. Got a little alert on that. Price comes in touch here, and we reevaluate the entry, and maybe it will take that long. I'm gonna look at that later today and tomorrow morning. So let's make sure we only have one alert. Yep. Then what was the very first one? Miners, major, USD JPY. USD JPY. Go back here. USD JPY. All right. Yeah, that one we marked pretty good. So we're waiting to see what's gonna happen there. So those are the two we're looking at. Let me write this down. Write this down on my notes. Put it here on the screen. Watching, so we got USD JPY, watching swing, and we don't know which side so far, short, and NZD, GBP, NZD. That's a long. Is it? It is. That's looking for long. So, all right, I'm gonna put that right here so I can look at that later. We got the alert there. That's it for now on that. So we got 2 swings to look at it for later. Two swings we'll look for later. Let's go back to day trade. Oh, let me leave that. Sorry guys. I don't like to keep switching. And we got a tab for day trading. Is this one. This one swing, this one day. Yep. A. Close the screen. NAS not doing anything. Not even on a 2-minute. We're just gonna not gonna do anything. We just out for now. All right. All right, guys, that's all for today. We're not going to do anything. There's not much. It's probably going to start moving now. It's about 1. But I want to see if I get it a video on recorded. So we're probably just going to get out because I don't want to just sit here and waiting for that. So we got 1 short small trade. Not much to brag about. Small profits in here on. Got a little bit on the PA account, a little bit on the take profit evaluation, and break even on some cash accounts. Not much going on. But that's tomorrow. We're gonna do 9 a.m. So we'll take that open tomorrow. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at the opening. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9, and then we'll go over little levels, and then we'll trade the opening, and it's probably gonna be a little better. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.